So I was told this looks like a meat slicer. What do you think? It might have been her. She said it looked like a meat slicer. All right, we're at Home Depot. We're in the tool aisle. But we're gonna leave the tool aisle. I know, it's gonna be a completely tool aisle-less video because it's that time of year, and I don't know if you can see in the distance, but they have the end caps up because tool sale. So we're gonna flip this thing around. We're gonna walk over to those end caps and we're gonna show you, and I'm gonna probably do it every so many weeks here up until Black Friday. We'll see what changes. So let's go ahead and see what we got. What was it you were just saying? What's wrong?
Huh?
What are you? Giggly.
Elevated.
Elevated. Okay, we're gonna flip this around because this is what we're here for. This is always what we're here for, but there's some yellow here too. I promised her I'd show her some yellow and plants. All right, so PACKOUT sales, right? Let's do some math here. Instantly $90 off, right? So let's just do this simpler, which is that one is free. So it's 80 plus 140 is 220 bucks. So PACKOUT is still pricing it out as they're the king, but it was like $199 and like $180, I think, for Flex Stack and the Stack Pack. But look, we've got 3 drawers. We've got the XL. We have standard profile. Where was it? We had XLs over there. 3 drawer, 2 drawer, and look, we have one of the combo. And this is, where did you say we were? Somewhere?
On Park?
Park? We're on Park, but what? Seminole?
I think.
Yeah. It's like St. Pete. We're not Clearwater-y, but they got a good selection of packouts, crates, ammo cans, and you can see this, right? Look, I'll even do a zoom for you. If you spend $300, you get 90 off. If you spend $200, you get 50 off. And don't let them give you crap, because if you see, it's all of these items. Like they're saying the dolly, the 2 drawer, the 3 drawer, the top, the XL, the standard profile, a half, low profile, a crate, all this stuff. So you're gonna get your PACKOUT sale on all of your PACKOUT items. Okay, so let's go that way because there's a bunch of end cap stuff. I haven't seen this at a Home Depot before, not in a while. Tough system too. Is this what we're gonna? No, it doesn't look good, does it?
It's ugly as hell. Oh my god, that's like embarrassing.
And look. This is how you have to. 2 points of contact.
But I like 10.
It'll feel better on the butt, but and these are.
Okay, this looks like my tackle box, but why are they ugly? I'm upset by this.
I mean, they are ugly. Comment below if you agree with.
I mean, that one's not bad, but
yeah,
the drawers are. I mean, they slide nice.
Yeah.
They're just ugly.
They don't sound like
it's what's on the inside that counts, right? There we go. See?
Okay. Let's go find some more yellow and some more green. Right? We said we saw some green that was good.
Actually, you're not wrong.
Okay, so if you get really aggressive, Diablo. Good stuff, but some nice bits. These Sawzall blades, cases. 29. Okay. PACKOUT, right? They're showing you this. This is weird that this side doesn't have the little sail thing on it.
I think the pooper scooper is.
The pooper scooper?
I mean,
that would be cool. I'm not using that one.
If this section were good enough, you could, in theory, use it to clean your litter box.
Wait, we'll make a new version of it. We'll make a new version. All right, we have. Those aren't bad. They are doing, but the question is, okay, those are 3s. So that's actually not bad. Those are usually like closer to 100, but what you're really looking for is the 6.0s for like 100, 109. They've been pushing this deal, which is the Power Source, which was usually 119, and you can get a 6.0. Okay. But they're going to start pushing this. Now, right now, it's not really a crazy deal. It's not bad. So, charger and 1 battery, $299. As you can see, the battery is $199. So, So one of the newer grinders with the battery, not bad. We got the new bit set somewhere. I didn't see it at this Home Depot. They had the PACKOUT and the 101 bit set in the low profile for a great price. So that's the way to go. And okay, so now we have yellow. Look, it's Ask Associate. All right, so here, Ryobi link. This one, the pin has been in that way, and now it's, you know, you gotta get your finger in there. I don't know what it's still holding on with, but you gotta get it up here, slide it over, and then you can maybe open it, but that's not supposed to look that way. This one's missing it altogether, so this is easier to open. At least they have flat bottoms, unlike the PACKOUT ones, but this one was, I don't know. I've heard a lot of people complaining, and
They look like Legos.
They do look like, that's a good point. I like that. So you're saying store Legos in these, or just honestly put it in the PACKOUT?
My French goblins would probably not destroy that in 2 seconds, so, you know.
I don't know if these pins can't last in the store. I can't imagine them lasting at home. But look, yellow. I see yellow over there. Do we have to go look at yellow?
Is the Pope Catholic?
Okay. So we have wall combos. We'll do one at a time. Well, this one's sort of rigid in Makita. Makita, good color. That's what I had from before Milwaukee. So we're doing the $300, get 2 tools. $200, get 1 tool. And those are your free tools. Batteries, jigsaw, saw, blower, oscillating tool, circular saw, grinder, ratchet. Not bad. All right, rigid, which you guys know, rigid. Store brand, Milwaukee, I believe, if I remember correctly. I thought rigid was a TTI group thing. Free tools, those, and you get 2 if you buy almost 400, and 1 if it's almost 200. Oh, they have 2. They have a $299 and a $179 to get 1 tool. Impact, okay. Battery combo, and then that looks like a drill driver combo. Okay. Yellow, we won't even look at the yellow, right? No yellow?
But this one comes pre-packaged and ready to go in the not ugly box.
That's still the tough system, but yes.
It's not ugly though.
And you know, that's been like, the Milwaukee guys hate that you can't get like a PACKOUT with a bunch of fuel.
What can I say? It's hard to top perfection.
It's getting harsh and harsh. All right, so let's see. What are we doing? Okay. 2 free tools. It's at 500. You got 2 free tools at 400. 2 free tools. Okay, 2 free tools at 349 for that one. 1 free tool at that one. 1 free tool at that. All right, so similar price to Makita. We got a sawzall, circular saw, jigsaw, grinder. That's not bad. 1/2-inch impact, a router. Okay, good. DeWalt's already better there because we got a nice router. That little stubby atomic is nice in SDS. It's a flexible battery, and oh, hey, you need. I was gonna say you needed a blower, maybe. Okay, so if I buy you a new battery, because you need 2 new batteries, because you don't have any. You have 1 battery.
No, I might have more.
I mean, it might have outlasted the Milwaukee. Whatever.
Marriage.
Wow. And then I could get the blower. Okay, Christmas ideas. Okay, that's right. Let's go on to Milwaukee because that's really. Or we'll just switch her to red. All right, so they do a $599. Okay, so Milwaukee and DeWalt both are doing like almost a $500. Theirs is 6, theirs is 5, theirs is 4, theirs is 340. But 2, oh, so you do get, look at DeWalt, you get 2 tools if you spend 340, but Milwaukee, you only get 1. So they're implying that Milwaukee is a better.
You're ascribing to the quality over quantity method for this one?
I mean, maybe, but look, you can get an inflator. Look, 2 different things that blow.
So, does that one go up your ass or in your nose?
The inflator or the blower? Saws out. Look, we got a jigsaw as well. The Rover Light, that's awesome. Everyone loves that. The Dual Bay Rapid, but again, let's go to the new charger. Circular saw. We got a jigsaw. We got a grinder. We got that job site wireless speaker. Weren't you saying you wanted a speaker? Okay, no. We'll go back to this. All right. But one free, you could, look, we could get her a charger and some batteries and then a blower. Boom. Seems like I mean, then I'd have a way to charge my tools at your, and then I won't have to switch. Okay, you know what? Let's change subjects and go to Ryobi, which everyone says, right? Ryobi, same factory as Milwaukee. Not true. Not true. Not true. Same parent company. All right, what are they doing? 2 free tools, $199. Good, right? Ryobi, it's going to be less expensive. What are our free tools? We got a grinder, we got a Sawzall, we got an OMT, we got a mini chainsaw. We have a fan blower. Okay, jigsaw, circular saw, sander this time, and dual inflator, a router, and a light. Okay, and then you can get 1 free tool for $100. So not bad, not bad. I think they have a better selection in Milwaukee though. Hey.
Don't open this door.
Knee pads, let's move on. Head protection.
Is that because most people with red tools spend a lot of time on their knees?
Oh, well if you, So then what would this be for? Splatter shield? Eye protect, wow, okay, I think she might be right. I mean, there's a lot of safety gear near the knee pads for Milwaukee. Gloves.
Safety meetings, aren't they?
Safety. You got a vacuum. Look at this. Milwaukee's got stocking stuffers.
Stubbies.
Stocking stuffers. Look. Stop. Okay. Jeez. All right. What else? We got these chemical resistant coated batteries. Nice. Okay. She's hungry. Hey, didn't you say you lost a knife in the divorce?
No, I lost a Gerber.
Oh, that's not the same.
Not the same.
Oh, I thought you would want a yellow one. They've got a good selection of tools here. Look at this. You can buy somebody a 1/4 inch socket set from Milwaukee for $50. Make them happy.
Jazz hands included?
Jazz hands, yes. Oops. Big sockets. All right, a couple $100. Okay, that's about it. So, she found a cute dog. I found some good gloves. But we're gonna say goodbye here in a second. We're gonna give you some thoughts and all that fun. Okay, so not bad deals. PACKOUT online. I don't remember exactly who. I've heard of a couple sales for a 3-piece PACKOUT combo for $189. So, PACKOUTs are gonna be on sale. $220 for the king, still not bad. I know a lot of people are saying the tech stack is gonna definitely win. But you know, most of us, especially if you're following me, are following me because of Milwaukee, baby. But
it's
what?
a Ford. It's not that impressive.
It's a Ford.
It's
So you don't think they were good deals? What about your yellow deals? She wasn't impressed because we didn't get a plant.
I'm hungry.
And she's hungry. So I'm going to err on the side of caution, and we're going to get food. But we'll be back in about a week or a week and a half. We'll see if the PACKOUTs in the stores are going to get to $199 or less. And I'm going to feed her, and we'll see you next week.